chuo te ke chi e taiwa kia tau e koro nau mai ki te kura.
Taringa kōhatu, ears of stone.
Hey, Kuro,
Kia ora.
kia hao te kupu mō wai Māori.
Yeah, but why Māori?
What? Wai, never mind, I'll just set you up.
Yeah.
It's my turn to shout you lunch, so what do you want from the shop?
Oh, yo, I've got a hot dog, no mustard.
You got musket! Back in my day, we fought with muskets.
Oh, you got taringa kōhatu, bro.
Taringa kōhatu, ears of stone. I'd rather have ears of stone, crooked hairline, broken eyebrows, rotten teeth, stinky breath, and a hole in your shorts.
Oh, e mō a koe koro.
Dio mahi.